A partial payment takes a deposit at drop-off and saves the rest of the order as an open ticket. Tap the green charge button in the cart footer to open the full-screen checkout. Type a deposit amount less than the order total. Anything equal to or larger than the total reads as a full charge. Tap Add Cash Payment to record the deposit. Now the Pay Partial button appears below the disabled Charge button. Tap Pay Partial to record the deposit. Tap back to Sales to return to the register. Partially paid orders carry an amber partial badge in the Open Tickets list and on the order board. Tap the partial ticket to load it back into the register. Tap Charge to open the checkout for the remaining balance. Previously paid shows the deposit and only the remaining balance is due. Heads up! Taking a partial payment and charging the balance both need the Use POS Register permission held by all 4 default roles: owner, admin, manager, and cashier.